Welcome to my channel, GoTech Talk. This is Gopal. Thank you so much for being here in my channel. Are you interested in latest trend in IT, computer hardware, enterprise and home networking? Or are you interested in learning more about computer components, parental control? If so, you came to the right place. Here in our channel, we will be sharing the latest trends, news, and insights on everything that is related to the world of IT. From latest trend in computer hardwares and components to home networking and enterprise networking and parental control, we have got it all covered. Plus, I will find out and bringing you the latest innovations and breakthrough in the world of IT. We will also be giving you tips and tricks on how to set up a reliable and an efficient home network so that you can stay connected with ease. For those of you who want to keep your family safe, we will also be showcasing the best parental control software and tools available on the market. So, if you want to stay up to date on everything related to IT, computer hardware, computer software, computer components, parental control, home and enterprise networking, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.